With VET report, besides the clinical module, you can have multiple modules. To do this, you can go to Module Types menu on the left, and you see the system comes preloaded with 3 modules: History, Intervention, and Technique. As always, there are some content for you to explain, to help you and guide you how to use VET report. But in case you're using VET report in another language other than English, you will need to create modules in your own language. So when they're translated to the Word in the final report, they will be in your own language. To do this, just go create. Here you have some module types already. This is in German, and I'm missing technique, so I'm just going to create technique. And these modules are the ones you created. You can edit them and you can delete them, so they're fairly easy, and you can create whatever modules you want to. Now, to get to the module items, what is important and is different, as with clinical items, they were always linked to a report class exam name set. So, for example, abdominal ultrasound or something, or abdominal neck. In here, with modules, you can decide if you want them to be linked specifically to an exam. For example, these are ultrasound probes, so they show up on technique ultrasound. But for example, in history, I want them to show up in whatever exam I want, so they're not linked to a report class exam name. And if you want to create a new clinical item, it's basically the same menu that we had with the clinical items. So I can go for ultrasound, abdominal, and I want this to be technique. And I'm going to go probe. Now I can go for a convex probe. The only thing that shows up in your report is the description, but usually when it's a short description, I just use the same, and then you do submit. And as always, if we go to the last, now we have the probe. This is the same for technique, and for example, acute vomiting, we can also use the save as function. So here you have acute, you can change the acute for chronic vomiting, and just do save as, and you have this new module item on the menu. Again, as you see, the chronic vomiting is not linked to any report class exam name. So this is the flexibility that the modules give you.